This video is about the correct adjustment of the separator device speed during harvesting. Let's start by identifying incorrect speeds. If the separator devices are set too fast, the potatoes bounce around and are no longer lying next to each other, which disrupts the even flow of potatoes and can lead to damage. However, if the speed is too low, a product jam occurs, which reduces the cleaning effect and efficiency. How do you set the speed of the separator devices? Go to the separator devices section on the control terminal. In the lower right corner, you will see a settings area for the separator device speed. The value displayed is the currently set value. Select the settings area. Adjustment buttons will appear on the right side of the control terminal. Use the plus and minus symbol buttons to increase or decrease the playback speed. The separator devices will automatically adjust to the set value. To adjust the speed for the other separator devices, you can select the corresponding device at the top of the control terminal and proceed in the same way. What is the correct speed setting? The separator devices should be set so that the potatoes lie next to each other and flow evenly through the separators. To do this, you can monitor the product flow using the camera system and adjust the speed to match the harvesting conditions. Let's summarize. The most important rule for gentle harvesting is a continuous and even flow of potatoes in the separator devices, so that the potatoes lie next to each other. Speeds that are too high can lead to damage, while speeds that are too low can hinder the harvesting flow.